Here is the Vietnam Job Market Update Report by VSHR Pro Academy about the third week of July, 2022. Through the Job Market Report, we will show you that as the hiring manager you will be able to learn which industry is hiring a lot. And if you are hiring, what kind of hiring strategy can you build? If you are looking for a job, right now the market industry will help you know which industries you're gonna get the most number of competitors. So let's get started and we will discover together. The internet had a big change in the third week, which was lower than the other two sectors in the same industry. Marketing ads was the third place after software, banking and finance were close to internet's performance. In the technology industry, while IT and software had slight increases, the internet decreased suddenly from 321 to 158 positions. IT made 547 positions and software climbed from 432 to 486. This week, recruiters focused on seeking middle seniors level and entry level. In the second group, there is a downward trend in finance and both banking and insurance had an upward trend. The number of open positions in banking reached the highest place in the chart with 145. Finance had a slight decrease from 135 to 128. However, insurance grew from 49 to 56 positions. This week, while banking focused more on the associate level, three industries needed more staff at both the associate and middle senior levels. Real estate, construction and commercial real estate had dramatic changes this week. While commercial real estate and real estate had a downward trend, construction had an upward trend. Real estate had a slow decline from 79 to 74 positions. This week, construction was the second highest data on the chart, which rose sharply from 12 to 32 positions. Commercial real estate reduced quickly from 40 to 24. Besides that, commercial real estate and real estate are sought at entry and associate levels. On the other hand, construction focused more on the middle senior level. After the quick increase in the second week, food production suddenly reduced from 81 to 26 this week. FB dropped to 91 positions. Moreover, they focus on recruiting at the middle senior level in both industries. The last group had two stable data from consumer goods and consumer electronics. Besides that, retail and fashion had slight decreases. Fashion decreased from 57 to 26 positions. Retail dropped 15 and occupied 97. In addition, they need staff at associate and middle senior levels. Thank you for your following and listening. Goodbye and see you in the next week Vietnam Job Market Update Report.